Hello guys, good to see you back. Again, I'm back with a new tutorial related DOM, and in this tutorial you are going to learn two JavaScript methods, replaceChild and removeChild. If you want to replace and remove a HTML tag using JavaScript, for that you need to use those methods, replaceChild and removeChild. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created an HTML document named index.html. And inside this document, as you can see, in our body tag, we have UL tag, means unordered list. And we have total 4 list items. These are all fruit names: orange, apple, grapes, and banana. At first, I want to replace our first list item with another fruit name. As you can see, in our first list item, we have orange. So let's back to the main.js file. At first, I'm going to create a new li tag. So I'm going to create the new element. So I'm going to type var, and our variable name is new element. New element. Then equal to document dot create element. Inside the round braces, our element name, which is list item, li. And now we need to create the text. I want to say text node. So here I'm going to type var, our variable name is new text. New text equal to document dot create text node, create text node. Inside the round braces, inside the double quotes, for now I'm going to type a fruit name, and the new fruit name is mango. Now we need to append this text node in this element. As you know, for that we need to use append child method. So here I'm going to type new element dot append child. Inside the round braces, the variable name, which is new text, and semicolon to end this line. And now we need to target the parent node from where we want to remove the list item. And as you can see, we have an ID in our parent node, list. So I copy the ID name, list, and back to the main.js file. So now I'm going to create the target variable, var, and our variable name is target, equal to document dot get element by ID. Inside the round braces, the variable name, list, and semicolon to end this line. So we target the parent node and store it in this variable named target. And now I'm going to target this child element. So I'm going to create another variable, var, and our variable name is old element, old element, equal to target dot children method. Then inside the square braces, we need to pass the index number, which is 0, and semicolon to end this line. And I'm going to set this file. If I print this variable in my console, let's print the variable in our console. So here I'm going to type console dot log. Inside the round braces, our variable name, old element, and semicolon to end this line. After set this file, if I show you my console section, here you can see it's written the list item, and inside this list item we have the value orange. It's written the first li tag from our list. So now I'm going to comment out this line, and I'm going to use replaceChild method. So I'm going to type target dot replaceChild method, replaceChild. Then inside the round braces, we need to pass total 2 parameters. Inside this round braces, in our first parameter, we need to pass from which element I want to replace with. I want to replace with new element. So here I'm going to type new element. And in our second parameter, we need to pass which element I want to replace. And I want to replace our old element. So I'm going to pass old element, and semicolon to end this line. After set this file, as you can see in my browser, it's replaced orange with mango. And if I change the index number here, so I'm going to pass 2 and set this file, now you can see it's going to replace grapes with mango. So I hope now it's clear for you how replaceChild method works. Here you can replace any type of tag using this method. You can replace div tag, table tag, paragraph tag, whatever tag you want. Now let's talk about our another function, which is removeChild. Now I want to remove the first element from this list. So at first I'm going to comment out all of this line. Then here I need to pass the index number, which I want to remove. So I'm going to pass index 0. And now I'm going to use the method name removeChild. So I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous one. And here I'm going to type target.removeChild. removeChild. Then inside the round braces, here we need to pass only one parameter. And our parameter name is old element. So I'm going to type old element. And now I'm going to set this file. After set this file, as you can see, it's removed orange from this list. Now we have total 3 fruits name in this list: apple, grapes, and banana. So this is how we can remove any child element from this list. If I change the index number, so here I'm going to pass index 2 and set this file. Now you can see it's removed another fruit from this list. So this is how we can use removeChild. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.